Hello dear student. Today we are going to discuss about the trigonometry. Now in that trigonometry, if you will see the total syllabus, then first part is this is trigonometric ratio. After that, in the trigonometric ratio for the specific angle we have to find the value of like 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree, and complementary angle and trigonometric identities. These are the total 4 parts we have to read. Now, one by one, we will see. First, what is the meaning of trigonometry? Trigonometry is one of the very old mathematics branch in which in the trigonometry, what we are reading, it is the word tri. Tri means 3 and gon means sides. That means we are reading on all the details about the triangle. Simple way, we are reading all the details in the trigonometry about the triangles. Tri means 3 and sides. So trigonometry is the study of relationship between the sides and angle of a triangle. Just you remember this. So it is the branch of mathematics which deals with the measure of angle and problem allied with the angles. This is nothing but the trigonometry. So all the things related to the triangle that we are going to read in the trigonometry. Second is trigonometric ratio. So in the triangle, there are 3 sides are there. So suppose we are taking this angle theta, which is an acute angle, and right angle triangle we are taking. So this is nothing but the perpendicular, this is the base, and this is the hypotenuse. So based on this 3 value, we are getting 6 ratios. So these ratios are nothing but the called trigonometric ratio: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. So sine theta is nothing but, just you see in the diagram, suppose this is the triangle ABC and this is angle theta. So sine theta is nothing but perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta is nothing but base by hypotenuse, and tan theta is nothing but perpendicular by base. So in this way we can find out the value of sine, cos and tan. Now reverse of sine is cosec theta. Reverse of sine theta is cosec theta. Cos theta is sec theta, that is second, and tan theta is nothing but cot theta. That means whatever the value it is written, just reciprocal of this value is nothing but the cosec, sec and cot theta. So if you will see, the major 3 things is there: sine, cos and tan. This 3 trigonometric ratio is very, very important that you have to read. Now, this is the relationship of the inverse trigonometric, that is cosec theta inverse is sine theta, sec theta inverse is cos theta, and cot theta inverse is tan theta. So when we are writing this value, so like sine theta is equal to, sine theta is nothing but p by h. So cosec theta is reverse of this one. Cos theta is b by h, sec theta is h by b. Tan theta equal to p by b, and cot theta equal to b by p. So in this way we are writing all the trigonometric ratio. Now this is the popular way, or you can remember the value: sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bhol. So in this way you can remember. There are so many ways you can remember the things. So the best way to remember the things is, suppose any triangle is there and theta is there. So in the sine theta, front side, suppose this is the theta, then this is nothing but the perpendicular for this angle, and hypotenuse is fixed. So suppose this is the theta we will take, then this is nothing but the perpendicular for this. So in this way, front side divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is base divided by hypotenuse. In this way we are taking, and that is very easy. Now, some important points that you have to remember: each trigonometric ratio is the real number, has no units, because this is nothing but the ratio. The value of each of trigonometric ratio of an angle does not depend on the size of the triangle. It depends only on the angle. The value of trigonometric ratio of an angle do not vary with the length of side of that triangle if the angle remains the same. So these are the basic value that you have to remember. If one of the trigonometric ratio of acute angle is known, then the remaining trigonometric ratio we can find out. In an isosceles triangle ABC, right angle is at B. Trigonometric ratio obtained by angle A and angle C the same value. So in this way we can find out all the value. Now the most important thing is sine theta value. Sine A and cos A is always less than, always lie between -1 to 1. Okay, and sec A and cosec A always greater than or equal to 1. Now this is the important thing. Sine square theta. This also you can write like sine square theta in this way. Sine theta power 3. This we can write sine q theta. Cos power 3 we can write in this way. Now important thing is theorem. Tan theta also we are writing sine theta by cos theta. Cot theta is nothing but cos theta by sine theta, and tan theta into cot theta is always 1. Now, some other trigonometric identities, these are nothing but the identities that you have to remember. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sec square theta, here sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. And cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So this three trigonometric ratio is very, very important. And when we solve the problem of identities at the time, this is required. Okay. Now, one by one, we will solve the problem. If sine A equal to 8 by 17, find all other trigonometric ratio. Only one problem, if you will understand, then any type of problem you can solve. First of all, just you see sine A. So what you have to do? Just you draw a triangle. This is the triangle. This is triangle ABC. Now, this is nothing but the angle. So this value is 8. This value is 17. So 17 square is nothing but 289 minus 64. So this value is 225. 225 root is equal to 15. Now, first of all, you have to draw and this three value. Now, sine A equal to given, automatically cosec A is equal to just reverse of that. That is 17 by 8. After that, tan A equal to. After that, tan A in the triangle just we drawn ABC. This is angle A, this is 8, 17, and we got this is 15. So cos A equal to 15 by 17. 15 by 17. And tan A equal to, this is tan A. Tan A value is nothing but this is 8 by 15. So once we got this sign cos, that is nothing but sec A, we can write just 17 by 15, and cot A we can write cot A equal to 15 by 8. Directly just drawing the triangle, you can solve any type of problem. It is not required to take the constant. It is not required at all. So you can see here in this way what the value we got. Similarly, cos A is equal to, just you see the value of cos A is equal to 9 by 41. So this is the value, this is the 9 and this is 41. So 41 square minus 9 square. This is the value that we will get. This is 41 plus 9. This we can find in this way, 41 plus 9 and 41 minus 9. This is nothing but 50 and this is nothing but 32. This is 1600, that's why this is 40. After that, all the trigonometric ratios just you can find out. Sine, this is 40, that is sine A is nothing but 40 by 41. Cos A is given and tan A is nothing but 9 by 41. So, sorry, tan A is nothing but 40 by 9. So in this way, you can find out all the trigonometric ratio. This is the easiest way that I told you. Tan A is equal to root 3, that is nothing but root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1 is there. After that, this is nothing but root 3, this is 1, and root 3 whole square plus 1 whole square. We can write this is nothing but the 2. After that, all the trigonometric ratio, just you can substitute the value. Tan, sec, cot, all the value you can substitute and get the value. Now, cos theta equal to 3 by 5. We have to find out the value. So, what the trigonometric ratio is required, just we have to find out. So, in the triangle, suppose this is a theta, this is 3 and this is 5. We can take the ratio in the k ratio also, it's not a problem, but it is not required. So this is 5 square minus 3 square, this is nothing but the 4. Now cosec theta. Now sin theta is what? 4 by 5. So cosec theta is nothing but 5 by 4. Cosec theta is 5 by 4. Tan theta is nothing but 4 by 3. Just we have to substitute the value. Sec theta is nothing but 5 by 3. And cot theta is 3 by 4. All the just we do the calculation and get the result, that is 11 by 29. Same way sec theta is 5 by 4. Now the most important thing I am going to tell you, whenever the trigonometric ratio is given apart from sine, cos and tan, what you can do, just you convert this into the form, because this is easier for you. So 4 by 5, after that just you take a triangle. This is theta, this is 4 and this is 5. So 5 square minus 25 minus 16 is nothing but the 9 and this value is 3. This is clear. Now after that just you get the value. Cos theta is 4 by 5. Just we have to substitute the value. Just you can see sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Cot theta equal to 4 by 3 and tan theta equal to 3 by 4. Just we substitute and get the result. Similarly, now next question, cot theta equal to 15 by 8. Same way, first of all, we have to find out this tan theta equal to 8 by 15. This is 8 by 15. Just draw a triangle. This is theta and this is 8. This is 15. 15 square is 225 plus 64 plus 64. This gives the hypotenuse, that is 9,289. This 289 value, that value is 17. So after that we have to find out 2 plus 2 sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. This value we have to find out. Just we have to, first of all, we have to calculate. See here, just if you will focus on the question, then 2 is the common. 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. Here 2 is the common. So this will convert into the very shortest form. So 2 bracket 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus cos theta. So this 2 will cut and this become 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. This become cot square theta. So whatever the cot theta value is there, 15 by 8, just square this value, you will get the answer. So this is very, very important type of question where you have to see the things what you have to find out. If it is possible to simplify, you can simplify as possible, and after that you will get the result immediately. Thank you.